Best 10 ways to earn money playing games online. Did you know that you can earn money just by playing games online? Yes, making money online is now more fun than ever before. If you love gaming online and have experience in playing and winning those online games, then you should consider playing and getting paid to do what you enjoy doing. You do not need to buy PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or any other gaming console on the market to get paid. All you need is a computer, the internet, and some gaming experience. Welcome to Exclamatory Show. Subscribe our channel to be an Exclamatorian. Here are the best 10 ways to earn money playing games online. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks pays people to do specific tasks, including playing games. The site offers several jobs, for example, watching videos, shopping, searching for products, watching videos, and playing games. For starters, you can start with participating in the daily featured promotions for various games and earn some swagbucks before gaining experience and start earning more. 2. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars allows you to earn some cash while playing games online. All you have to do is to sign up with Inbox Dollars at no cost and start playing games straight away. The website offers a variety of games for you to choose from and play. You can earn $10 per day as you begin and even make more as you progress. 3. Point Club. Point Club is a popular survey platform that pays you to complete a variety of tasks like playing games online, taking surveys, and more. To join, users must be at least 13 years of age and have a valid email address. Members receive $5 just for signing up. 4. Bingo Mania. Do you love bingo? If you do, then you have an opportunity to earn some money by playing bingo online. Bingo Mania offers a variety of bingo games daily, making $1, and the money keeps on increasing until a winner is declared. The games offered here are all bingo games. 5. Pogo. For beginners, Pogo might not seem to be a gaming site because you will have to view ads for the first 5 days for you to be able to collect tokens. You will use these tokens to participate in different types of exciting and addictive games and earn money from these games. Additionally, there is a daily draw of $10,000 prize money for a lucky winner. The more you play, the more chances of you winning the prize money. 6. Gamesville. Gamesville is the first and most popular free web-based gaming website on the internet. You get awarded GV rewards for playing and winning games, getting high scores, and slots. Gamesville also offers pure cash competitions for those individuals who do not want to earn GV rewards. 7. Paid Game Player. Paid Game Player offers online gaming lovers a chance to make some cash while enjoying their favorite games online. Once you register with the free Paid Game Player account, you get the opportunity to access over 600 different games on their site. However, you must be at least 18 years old to register and start earning money. The games include an online casino, puzzle games, arcade games, and much more. 8. Second Life. Second Life is considered to be among the most prominent gaming websites on the internet today. This site encourages property trading, virtual real estate, creating and selling content, selling gadgets, clothing, performing 8-rock concerts, events, and game shows. You can also get paid for sitting on a chair outside a store. The aim of this idea is to attract other people to the store. 9. Clip2Play. On this website, numerous daily tournaments take place. Most of the games played are flash games. Players fight against each other, and the winners are unveiled at the end of the day. Additionally, there is a referral program where you get to earn 10 points for every referral you make. You can redeem the points for cash. 10. GSN Cash Games. This online gaming platform offers word games, arcade, card, strategy, puzzles, and other types of exciting games that appeal to online gamers. The good part is that you are allowed to try out a game first before entering into a competition. This gives you a chance to feel and understand the game before attempting to play it out with other players. Additionally, you get matched according to your skills. This gives you a higher chance of winning the games. Stop wasting your time playing online games. Instead, compete with other gamers and get paid for winning competitions. There are very many sites that will pay for playing online games. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.